Yes, we have finally done it. We have got to 1,000 subscribers and we have got to over 4,000 watch hours, which means that the channel can be monetized, which is obviously anyone who does YouTubing is what you're trying to get to not say you've made it, but you get the partner program, and it kind of is the first goal that you're trying to work towards from that point of view. So I want to say a massive thank you to everyone who has subscribed so far, and anyone who watches the videos. If you find any of them helpful for any of the car bits and this and that, then thanks for subscribing. Or if it's any of the, you know, the Windgoo bits and the electric bikes and scooters things, again, thank you so much. And as I said, when I do hit that 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away my Windgoo B3. Now this was sent to me by Windgoo, and I've been using it every day for when I was doing my previous job, which was a mechanic. I've now moved over into a new job, which is a bathroom renovation with a friend of mine. So expect to see some bathroom renovation projects and stuff like that coming up within the near future. But regarding the Windgoo, this was what I was using every day, but I've moved over more recently. I'm using now more on a daily, taking the kids to school, going around everywhere on the Windgoo M1 scooter. So this is my new day-to-day. So the Windgoo B20 isn't really needed as much. So I thought, well, instead of it sitting there gathering dust, I may as well give it away to one of you to win and enjoy. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So I said when I hit the 1,000 subscribers, I'll start a competition to run for 28 days. Today is the 2nd of July. So we're going to keep it running for the whole month of July. And then come 1st of August, I will draw out from the list of people who have subscribed to the channel, which is the first thing you need to do. Said the keyword at the end, and give me a location of where you are. So I will try and post it internationally, depending on how much it costs to send. Obviously, if it's out of Mongolia or something, it might not be feasible, but we'll try and do it. I'm based in the UK, so UK and Europe should be okay, and then anywhere further afield may be a bit problematic, but we'll find out when we get there. So yeah, this is it. So this is the B20 that we've got. If you are new to the channel, this is check out my electric bike playlist, which I'll put a link up here for. And if you already know about these bikes, you know how great they are. Really good for what they do. I'll just quickly give it a run through. So before I go any further, as I say, you must subscribe to the channel to be in with a chance to win the video. So do that now whilst I'm showing you these bits. So yeah, so this is the folding bike. So what we'll do is fold the wheels up, fold it in half, drop the top down, and there we go. We've got ourselves a little folding bike. So even if you're just in it to win it, this is what you're going to be winning, all right? Top speed of 25 kilometers an hour. Battery goes for probably, I don't know, 2 or 3 hours. You have got pedal assist on it as well, so you can just cycle it around like a normal bike. Front and rear disc brakes. I've upgraded the seat to a dampened seat. Got front pegs on there just for a bit of a laugh. They don't really do anything. They're quite annoying, to be fair, but you can always take them off. It's definitely been a great bike. This was an upgrade from the B3 that I had and that I was using. I just, as you say, wanted something with pedals, and I've been doing a lot of videos and things like that on these, and Windgoo obviously saw that and appreciated it. So thank you to Windgoo for everything they've done to help my channel grow to where we are right now. And hopefully we can push on for bigger and better things within the Windgoo world going forward. So I'm going to keep the video quite short from that point of view, so we don't rabble on too much about it all. But the key things that I need you to do to be in with a chance to win the bike, as I say, is subscribe to the channel for the 3rd time. Subscribe to the channel. Keyword is going to be, the keyword isn't necessarily going to be a word, it's going to be a consortium of words, so obviously I'll know what they are from it all. So put in there your favourite fruit, okay? Favourite fruit. And then I want you to put in your location. So you could be, obviously you subscribe, I can check that bit out. It could be bananas and 1995 or something like that. So this is what you're going to be in for a chance to win. 28 days, I'll do a draw. I'll probably do a video on the live draw and find out from that point of view. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.